All right, we're going to do a single leg squat exercise. This is a very good exercise to do for hips, knees, or ankles, or just general pelvic stability. It's really advanced exercise, so it's good to do later in your rehab program when you're ready for it. So it's very good for stability of the knee, the hip, and the ankle, and also for muscle coordination. So I'll get Elizabeth here to show you. What we want to do is basically a squat on one leg, as it sounds. You want to have the other foot out in front of you, not behind you. If you have it behind you, it will throw off your balance a little bit. And you want to initiate the movement at the hip. So if you imagine like you're sitting down into a chair, that's basically what you're doing. You're just sitting down with one leg. You want to avoid your knee coming really far forward, and you want to keep your knee in line with about your second toe. Okay? So I'm going to get Elizabeth here to show you. Go ahead, Elizabeth. Good, and up. So you see she's initiating the movement at the hip as she sits down, and then the lower she goes, then her knee starts to translate forward a little bit. Good. So knee's coming a bit too far forward, so I'll just instruct her to sit down at the hip a bit more. Good, and up. Keep going. Good. She's doing a good job of keeping her knee in line. It's not coming in or out. And you notice we have a chair here for her to hold on to. You can use a chair or just something to hold on to initially, but you want to progress so that you're doing it with nothing to hold on. Good, and you can see that her knee's starting to shake a little bit, so she might be getting a bit fatigued. Good, and that's good. So you can do this 3 sets of 12, or just until you start to feel like you're losing control a little bit and shaking. That means you're fatiguing and you can just give it a rest. Good way to progress it is to go deeper in the squat. Again, you want to make sure you're keeping good form when you go deeper. You can add movements, so you can add dynamic trunk movements as you lower. So you can do some twists, or you could hold a 10-pound plate of weight or something across your chest.